Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to use your Accor points to book hotels. So here according to Accor, you can do so online. So you can choose to book online, so you will see the advanced search on your destination, date, and rooms and special rates. So you can use this advanced search option so that you'll be able to search a hotel you want to stay on and use your points. Next is you can search by phone. So it depends on where you live and you can search where you want to stay, and then let's say Indonesia right here. So you can call this number basically, and then you can call them by phone and ask them where you can book and redeem your points. Next is searching up hotels manually, of course, but this too will be the easiest option for you. So here in the advanced search, you can search for a hotel or destination itself. You can search for a place, the arrival date, departure date, number of rooms, and how many are staying, and the budget. And then you can also do accessible room required and special rates if you're a loyalty or membership card member, and the preferential code right here, and then search. And there you go. It's just that simple to use Accor points to book hotels.